How to edit poster and permissions on Zoom channel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit the poster and permissions on a Zoom channel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Zoom. This is Zoom app. Now all what you have to do is go and choose a channel. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and now you have to go to the top corner right here and click on this icon. Now all what you have to do is go down until you find the more options, click on it, and now you will find the post and permissions option. Click on it also and choose who can post in this channel. Choose admin only or admin plus specific people. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.